Hey Drip Droppers, today we're going to pour on a record again. We're painting. I'm going to make something magical, but guess what? Yesterday I made you something magical too, but you'll never see it because I forgot to push record. It came out amazing though, just letting you know that. Of course, the one you don't get to see. But today we're pouring on a record again today, and we are doing the many splendored guitars of those people. I can't even say it because I might badly pronounce it. But this record is not highly collectible. And so probably somebody out there will say it is, but it's not. And it's got some scratches on it. So we're going to paint on it today. Today, I'm doing whatever I want to do. I'm just going to fly by the seat of my pants. I don't have a plan. I've got paint made up. We're just going to see what happens. What we're looking for today, though, is no melty cells. That's what we've been having because we ran out of Behr 8300. Started a new house paint called Behr 8153, and immediately we had melty cells. So we're trying something a little different today. So let's give it a go. Here we go. All right, so I'm not turning this camera off anymore just in case I lose you. So for those of you that are wondering, I covered the hole with packing tape, like Scotch packing tape. And on the back, it's press and seal and just blue painter's tape. And we're going to work on this right now. So let me get our cameras adjusted. All right, so we're using White Duck by Sherwin-Williams. I've got it poured out here. I've got the bubbles popped on it. I'm ready to go. I've got a nice thick coat because I want to put my paint on it, and then I'm going to stretch it. So the paint is a pillow. So if you're new to paint pouring and you hear people talking about a pillow, that's what they're talking about, pillow paint.